Hello everybody, this is Sonia and I am from Australia, and I've got another entry in my giveaway for the journal. So this is from Elaine Maher, and she lives in, it's got to be Dolan Bay, or it could be Poland Bay, I can't know if that's a P or a D you've got there. It looks like a D, could be. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. Well, it does, so I'll have to find that out for sure. And then there's all the washi tape. Look, there's one with snails on it, and there's that one, and this one. And I'm going to save all that washi tape, because I'm going to use that on your page. I'll make you a page in my book. And I'll know where all these people are, won't I? I will, unless of course they move. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, I like parcels, you know. I do love a good parcel. Oh, look at this. All houses. I need some nice tissue, nice paper. You sort of don't know what to send things in, do you? Whether they're going to get wet. And actually, the mail that came the other day was all wet. It wasn't anybody's things that was a good thing, because there was not a person's entry. And but from the time the mailman put it in the boxes, I think there was water got in our mailbox. So this is her tag that she created, and she has a Facebook group and a swap name created by herself, and her YouTube is Ms. Aussie Mum. Okay. Oh, look at this. Isn't that nice? I do like this sort of things. Isn't that good? And she's put on this really nice blue. She's used a piece of cardboard, and it looks really cool, doesn't it? The texture on the back of that, and she made all these little spots and did that there. That's really neat. That is very good. Very nice piece. Yes, that's a very nice piece there. Okay, that's really cool. I do like that. And then she's got the houses on the back, and I do like them too. And I love these pretty ribbons in the top of it. Lovely pretty ribbons. That's a lovely tag, isn't it? I do like that. And here she has an artist trading card. It says on the back of there. And I can't get it out. Stop. Oh wow. So this has been painted. That's natty, I should say. Isn't that nice? Nice. I'm tongue in my teeth. Working very good today. Oh dear. And my cat's going to jump at the door, but we'll have to forgive him. He just doesn't know where his limits are, because he's not coming in here. I have actually been gluing things this morning. Isn't this nice? Look at that. And I don't know, I've seen people do this sort of thing, but I don't know if I could do that. It's painted and it's made it run everywhere, and it's, oh dear, isn't that neat? And here I have her information on the back of one of these dear little colouring in things that I also have some of those. They're really neat, aren't they? And this is all about her. And she has the YouTube channel, is Miss Aussie Mum. Gee, I hope I put some of those things up. I don't think I did on them other ladies' channels. I'll have to go and fix that. She likes mixed media, painting, journaling, gluing. She loves creating, and she likes to melt coloured beeswax. Is that what that is? It might be. Hang on a minute. With a hot iron. Artist trading card. That's nice to have those, isn't it, too? It's called incestuous work. I can't say the word. Oh, sorry about that. It is nice, isn't it? I do like that. That's how she created this ACT. Now that's created out of melting hot melt coloured beeswax with a hot specialty iron. Sorry, I'm so sorry, Elaine, I mucked this up. Oh dear, isn't that nice? That's really clever, that is. And I've got a little tag too, as well as a big tag. Oh, look at that. Got Blinky Bill on there. A stamp with Blinky Bill on it. And a little butterfly. Thank you so much, Elaine. I really love all these things, and I'm very fascinated with that. I really am. And I love your design on this. Your design and your way you put that together. That's really cool. Thank you so very much for this. I'm going to put them back in the packet for the time being. It is very nice. Thank you so much, Elaine. I really appreciate that. And thank you, everybody, for watching, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.